Hello. Hello. You guys, welcome back to my channel. Dano's here. If you saw the last video, you knew that. You knew it already. You were prepared. Today, as you can clearly tell from the title, we are doing the Huda Beauty box. Huda Beauty. Allure Beauty box for the month of July, which is Allure and Huda Beauty. They collab for this. I'm excited. I know what half of the stuff in this box, so. Weird.
I don't even know what you just said. I'm sitting right next to you.
I already know what half the stuff is. The first things first. Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. I knew we were getting this. I'm really hyped. I love her lipsticks. I have like 13 of them. I have a ton. It's an obsession. I know. I don't care. Here we are. Another one. This one is a bright red. It's in the shade Alluring, which I kind of feel like is done for this box because it's the Allure box. But it looks like her shade Heartbreaker. I have that one I can show you. They look very similar. Oh, that's not it. Yes, it is. Actually, it's a little bit orangier, like this one, but this one shows up like that. Like it's very bright, so I don't know. Very pretty though. I love her lipsticks. They are absolutely stunning. Ew, I look terrible. No. So let's do a little swatchy swatch. Should I put it on my lips? I don't have any makeup on.
You have lip gloss on currently.
It look like trash. No, we're not gonna. But we can just do a quick little. Ooh, it's a very orangey undertone one. That's gonna make your teeth yellow. Ooh.
Yeah.
But it's fine. It's all fine. Fine.
Ew, look at that.
You got creasing. You got a blend over here. You didn't get any of this. The bag for this month is hot pink. We haven't gotten a pink one yet. We've gotten like green, orange, black, red, white, clear, I think. We're up to pink. And this one is like the past 3 months, which it doesn't have a snap. It has that little, it's like stuck. It has that little strappy thing right here that you can like tuck it into, but I'm not really a fan of that. This month I did get to pick something like which I preferred. 3 products, but we'll get to that here in a minute. Here's the little booklet. Let's read about that lipstick. It retails for, doesn't say. Usually it does. Just gives you a promo code. I guess because you can't buy that. But her normal lipsticks, I'm pretty sure, are like somewhere in the $18 to $21 range. Let's look on Sephora's website. This Huda Beauty.
Oh, I need a new foundation. I don't know what kind to get though.
$20. But this one is, of course, limited edition, so you can't get the shade. But you can get one of her other ones, and they're super comfortable. They dry down so nicely. It's just bomb. Okay. So, next.
This concealer is darker.
Do you need a lighter concealer?
I have one. I just didn't realize before I put it on my face.
So this is the Cabral from Benefit, and I'm not sure if this is a full size. It says it's a 1.5 gram. Let's see how big the full size is on Sephora's website. I picked this product, Cabral. I think this is a mini. Yeah, it's a mini, but still, the full size is 3 grams. So it's a half size, which isn't terrible. It retails for $12, the half size. And mine's in the shade 3, which is the shade that I use in Precisely My Brow and Give Me Brow. So, that is cute. The options for this were the Hangover Primer, which is the one that Danielle used. This, or the Urban Decay Glide On Eye Pencil in 0. And it comes with a little brush. And I definitely wanted this over the other 2 because 1, I have both of them. And 2, this is something I've never tried before. So yeah, the full size retails for $24 though, if you're interested. But I still feel like that's a lot in there.
Yeah.
So,
a good amount.
That's a good, for the box is only like, your first month is $10 and every month after that is $15. Inside the box is Huda's face. Like on the bottom. How odd. Anyways, let's see if there's a coupon code. There isn't, but you can get it at Sephora or Benefit Cosmetics. So next is Huda Beauty lashes. Samantha number 7. They look like this. So chic, so cute. They have little fluffies. Not really my kind of lash. They're very, like, those chunky bits in there are kind of in.
You just need to comb them. Oh,
They retail for $20. Yes, somewhere. Huda Beauty lashes retail for $20. You can get them on Huda's website or at shophudabeauty.com. Let's get this lipstick off before I get it everywhere. So far this box is definitely worth it because this is full size and that lipstick is full size and this little eyebrow thing's half size. So we're making our money's worth. Next is, so we've already got 3 things. Now we're up to Away Texturizing Hairspray. It's like dry shampoo, like dry shampoo and hairspray had a baby. The ultra lightweight hairspray that builds incredible volume and texture, placed with volcanic minerals to absorb oil and refresh hair. Everything I need.
That sounds like what I need.
We're excited for that. No, I have other things from Way, but not that. So that's really good.
I forgot I rubbed that primer on my leg. I thought my leg was just skin was just peeling off. Like,
the full size of this retails for $26. You can use the code Allure19 at checkout to get 15% off through September 1st. So that's a bomb. From Way's website. It's theway.com. Now we have a mask. Look at how big this is.
that is gigantic.
It says Tony Moly Intense Care Gold 24K Snail Hydrogel Mask.
Snail.
Interesting. I guess it has the liquid on the bottom and the mask part on the top. Oh yeah, you rub the liquid on and then you put the mask on and wait 20 to 30 minutes. See, this is not even in English, but I got that from the picture. So we're gonna go with it. It's infused with snail mucin, slimy stuff. Yum. Retails for $10. You can use the code Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off full price items through August 31st from TonyMoly.usa. Oh, and there I got a coupon code for Huda. So I'm not gonna give that out because it's a one-time use. And then it says you're going to want to see what's in my next box, like August. So let's scratch and see. I got 2 cards though, so that's kind of weird. Everything I got, like cards, I got like 2 of, which is strange.
What is kind of weird?
What are you? What are you?
I don't like how this is turning out.
I already have that. You're gonna get it. Cool. Okay. Okay, that's the thing about Huda. A lot of this stuff is new stuff. Like the Way texture spray, either it just came out or hasn't come out yet. We don't have this Allure thing, like the lipstick. And then it says that next month I'm gonna get the Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream, which I already have. I got it in Influencer.
Ew.
So it hasn't. It's like just online, I think.
I don't like this.
What?
My chin.
It looks fine. And then we're getting the multitask eye serum matte. Then take it off if you don't. I think it looks fine, but if you don't matte, that moisturizer I've been using, but I'm afraid that that's what's breaking me out because it has coconut in it, and coconut can be comedogenic.
Ew.
Got a little bit of line. Take your sponge and wet it. I can't. I think that's a sunscreen. No, it's an eye cream.
Ew, this is gross. I don't like this.
Take it off.
I have to wipe something.
Not wet ones. Bad makeup remover. They're dry.
I look terrible. Some oil in it. No rinse.
It's nice. I've used almost the whole bottle.
Ew, this pump's kind of nasty looking.
Okay, so this is what came on this card. I used it for a while. It's the Premier Alpine Berry Water Cream, which I've already used and has the coconut in it. A multitask eye serum mask, an eye cream from Nuria, and Benefits Their Real Mascara, which is not new at all. I'm going to do a quick little swatch of this other card and see if it says the same thing. That seems to be what we're getting. We'll see. I'm pretty pleased with this. Last thing in here is a fragrance sampler from Huda in their vanilla one. I tried one of their other ones, and it was nice.
Look at my face right now.
Very red.
Very nasty.
It smells like something else I've smelled before. But it is definitely vanilla.
Do you have any more of
It
these?
smells almost like a bad tomato.
No, it doesn't.
But that could just be me.
Do you have any more of these cotton rounds?
Not in here. You can have a dried wipe and you can put makeup remover on it. Here. Alright, so this month was definitely worth it just for this lipstick alone, to be honest. And plus we got the mask, we got the eyelashes, we got the cup brow, we got the way, like we are really out here killing it. So totally worth it. There's like, you should totally sign up for Allure if you have not before, because you get new stuff. Like it's usually worth it. For 15 bucks, even $10 for your first month is bomb. And I'm really pleased. So yeah, that being said, I'm gonna skedaddle on out of this video.
I'm gonna wash my face.
So thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Stick around, watch the next video. You know what's coming up. You might as well.
I might finish my makeup. I might give up on
Alright. We will see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.